domain name. And two, it suits our purpose much more, which is still to empower student organizations. Last month, at the University of Texas, Formula One Circuit of the Americas invested $50,000 into the university's solar vehicles team to help them complete Texan, the car they hope to race the next American Solar Challenge with. UT Quidditch beat 80 other teams to win the 6th annual Quidditch World Cup. And the Hindu Student Association had a record-breaking 4,000 attendees at their annual event Holi to raise cultural awareness. Student organizations all over the country are doing incredible things, processing hundreds of thousands of dollars and recruiting dozens of members to achieve their goals. Yet, they lack the management tools to help sustain that growth. Women in computer science has so many officers that financial transactions often get lost between them, forcing them to have to make up or guess their expenditures when they submit them to the university. The Pre-Dent Society has a very high member turnover because students graduate or leave the organization, so their listserv is always out of date. This makes it especially difficult because the university administrator handles it, making the process much slower. And there's so many methods of communication. We have Facebook groups, Google Drive, mass emails, and organization websites that information often gets lost in these organizations between their officers and their members. The current interface UT provides is clearly not doing these organizations justice. So we're introducing Suit of Clubs' organization pages. These pages are very event-centric. An event being anything from Alex of the solar car team buying solar cells to the Pre-PA Society having a freshman mixer. Officers can go and create an event, and once published publicly, anyone can see the description, but only the officers will be able to see line item budgeting elements under every post, so they can go through their timeline and know exactly how much that freshman mixer has cost throughout the years. At the end of the semester, they can also go get a PDF version of their budget to submit to the university. We are providing member management tools that sync with Gmail and completely bypass the need for university listservs by making it incredibly easy to add or remove members. But what we're actually trying to do here is to give organizations the opportunity to capture their legacy, to tell the world their story. And to do so, we have included a highlights section which connects these organizations to the corporations whose investments have made them possible in a crunch-based kind of manner. Corporations enter universities for two reasons. One is, of course, to recruit students, and the other is to sponsor organizations. They do this through hiring campus ambassadors, like students who go and host their events. They want to become the campus ambassadors for all of these companies to help bring them into universities in collaboration with student organizations. We're introducing corporate pages. So to allow a company to go and highlight their contributions to student organizations, again in a crunch-based kind of manner. Offline, we're working with these corporations to bring them into universities by helping host their events in collaboration with student organizations. So if a company wants to do a hackathon, for example, it will now be supported with a student organization on our platform. The student organization gets more visibility, and the corporation has a more successful event. We have pitched this to a number of companies, and I'm very excited to announce that Microsoft, Google, and very recently Amazon have agreed to move onto our platform as corporate partners. We will be working with them this fall to help host their events, trying to make their events bigger than ever and their recruitment talks more successful than ever. We're still waiting to hear back from a couple other corporations. Square even expressed how difficult it is for a relatively new company to enter university, and we hope to make it a whole lot easier with this program. I'm kind of lying to you here. Apple has not expressed any interest in us yet, but I'll be working there this summer and hope I can convince someone in Cupertino to adopt our platform.
That's good.
Programming the platform this semester, and we'll be testing throughout the summer for our August launch, which we hope to do with 100 student organizations and these corporate partners. Thankfully, I have a really great team behind me to back me on this. Michael Kasab is our CTO. He's a third-year computer engineering major and is responsible for having most of our back-end up. Gerardo is a third-year computer science major and is our front-end developer. Mandy is a third-year majoring in economics and math and is a killer designer. And Twinkle is a senior electrical engineer who's working on the ground to get these organizations onto our platform. That's our presentation. Thank you so much for listening. If you're a student and want to sign your student organization up, go sign them up at our website. We just hosted it recently, so we're super excited about it. If you're a startup or a company looking to enter the university, please email me at c@suitofclubs, or I got a Twitter Twitter just so I could say this, follow suit at Suit of Clubs. Thank you.
That's good.